The average number of emails that employees get in their inbox per day is 121. So that's an awful lot of emails fighting for attention and priority. I'm going to... one moment. Bog off. I'm going to show you 3 ways in which you can increase the likelihood of your emails being opened and read. Today I'm going to talk you through 3 small adjustments that you need to make to your email headings to increase the likelihood of your emails actually being clicked. So here is the first way. Make sure that the heading of your email incites or includes a benefit for the reader. This comes from Andy Bounds, the snowball effect. For example, let's just say I need your timesheet so that I can pay you. So I could put timesheet in the heading, or I could say get paid on time. Get paid on time is definitely more likely to be opened. It includes a benefit for the reader. Benefit. That's the first technique that you can actually include in your email headings. The second is intrigue. So many people put FYI in the title and it doesn't get opened. And the reason is because it's boring. You open up the email, there's something to click on, you can't be bothered, you might star it or save it. You probably won't open it, or the attachment that is. But if you were to put something like in the heading, I think you'll love page 7, you are intriguing the reader to open the email. So intrigue is the second way in which you can adjust the headings to maximize the likelihood of them being clicked and opened. The third is being specific. Now, if we've got this many emails in our inbox, we really can't be bothered to work out what it's about, should we prioritize it, etc. What you really need to do is just be specific and take all the guesswork out of it. For example, our meeting at 3, or the document you sent me, or the proposal adjustments. Whatever it is, make sure that it's specific to take the guesswork out. In summary, we have benefit, intrigue, and specificity. And these will definitely increase the likelihood of your emails not being buried or put aside, but clicked and responded to. For more tips and tools to make you into a communication ninja, click the link below for your weekly guides.